Today, I'm going to show you how to use subtasks and dependencies in Notion to make your task management way more efficient. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by big projects or multiple steps, this feature helps you break everything down and stay on track without losing sight of the bigger picture. Start by creating a main task database if you don't already have one. Each task is a row in your table, and this is where you'll track deadlines, priorities, and completion status. To add subtasks, create a new database called Subtasks. Each subtask will link to a main task using a relation property. This way, all subtasks automatically show up under the main task they belong to, and you can see progress at a glance. Once you've linked your subtasks to the main tasks, add a roll-up property to calculate completion. This lets you see what percentage of subtasks are done without manually checking each one. For example, if a project has 5 subtasks and 3 are complete, the main task will automatically show 60% progress. This gives you a clear visual of how close you are to finishing a project. Next, let's talk about dependencies. Dependencies are essential when one task can't start until another is finished. In Notion, you can create a property called Depends On, and link it to another task in your database. When a task is marked as dependent, you'll know not to start it until the linked task is completed. This keeps your workflow organized and prevents bottlenecks, especially for larger projects with multiple moving pieces. You can also use filtered views to make subtasks and dependencies easier to manage. Create a view that shows only incomplete subtasks for today or only tasks that aren't blocked by dependencies. This helps you focus on what you can actually do right now instead of being distracted by things that aren't ready yet. Another tip is to use Kanban boards for visualizing dependencies. Place main tasks in columns and subtasks as cards underneath. If a subtask is blocked, you can tag it or color code it. This gives you a visual map of your project and shows at a glance which tasks are ready, which are blocked, and what's coming next. Finally, review your main tasks and subtasks daily. Mark completed items, adjust due dates, and update dependencies as needed. By consistently tracking subtasks and dependencies, you turn Notion into a dynamic project management tool where nothing falls through the cracks. It keeps everything organized, actionable, and easy to follow, no matter how complex your projects are. Using subtasks and dependencies in Notion isn't just about organization, it's about building a system that actually works for you. Once you set it up, you'll notice your workflow becomes smoother, deadlines feel manageable, and projects get done faster without the stress of trying to remember every single step.